Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another video, and today I've got something a little bit different. I'm not actually going to do a watch review video. What I am going to do is I'm going to go over how to start a YouTube channel and some of the things I learned on my journey so far on YouTube, and some of the things to watch out for, and also some of the things that you'll want to know. So stay tuned for that if you want to know how to start a YouTube channel. Um, Before I get started, though, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up if you want to wear them yourself. So without further ado, let's get into this. Like I said before, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches. And I started this back in February. Today is actually the marks the 6-month anniversary of when I started my YouTube channel. And if you look online, it's kind of difficult to try and find benchmarks, because the truth of the matter is that it is really subjective between channels, because some channels take off faster than others. But on average, what you'll see is usually anywhere between 9 months to maybe even a year and a half or longer to get monetized, and in some cases a lot shorter than that. Right now, I'm on track to be a monetized YouTube channel probably within the next week. I just need to get my watch hours up to 4,000, and I'm pretty close right now. So I've got about, based on my average watch hour increase rate, I'm going to be there probably within the next week. So I've already reached 1,000 subscribers, and thank you guys so much to all my subscribers, because you guys all made this happen for me, and I really could not appreciate you guys more. But in about a week I will be fully monetized, but I have been partially monetized from the beginning, or shortly thereafter the beginning, because I did take a route where I was able to become an affiliate, and I have been able to put affiliate links on all of the watches that I review and get a small commission out of those. So, so the way the process actually works, first thing you want to do, obviously, you want to find a niche, and that niche is going to have to be something that you're going to be comfortable with, and you're going to want to talk about day in and day out, because it is a very labor intensive process to get a YouTube channel up and running. You may have heard of people saying, "Oh, you start a YouTube channel and all you have to do is post some videos." Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not all it is. It's not all you do, posting videos. It is a lot of work. So if you're not ready to jump into a full-time job or a full-time plus job, then you probably shouldn't jump into a YouTube channel. But if you are looking to start a YouTube channel, then this is the video that you're going to want to watch, because I'm going to let you know some of the things that I've learned. First of all, some people don't know how to start a YouTube channel. Well, first thing you do, you find a niche, then you have to create videos, and then you have to upload them regularly. Regularly can be once a week, it can be twice a week, it can be 3 times a week. But the YouTube algorithm wants to see you consistently posting videos. The other thing the YouTube algorithm likes is obviously your interactions with your subscribers and the viewers, obviously. So you do want to be active as far as, commenting and replying to comments and things of that nature. But some people, they don't know how does YouTube actually work. I have had a couple of questions from people that I know that I tell them that I started a YouTube channel, and the first thing they say is, "Wow, yeah, I hear a lot of people make money on YouTube, and all they do is post videos, and they make money. Well, how does it work?" And the first thing I tell them now that I know better, is, well, first of all, it's not all you do. It's not like it's an easy thing. It's like saying a brain surgeon, all he does is perform brain surgery and then he goes home. But there's more to it than just that. But they don't understand how posting the videos turns into money. So, and I think even me, when I first started, I didn't quite understand the entire process. But basically what it is you post the videos, and right away YouTube will start to determine whether or not your channel has value. Once YouTube determines that your channel has some value, they will start putting advertisements on your content. When they put advertisements on your content, you're not actually making money off of it. YouTube is actually making money off of your content until you become monetized. Once you become monetized after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you start to get a cut of the revenue. I think it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 35% comes to you. They take about, or 60%. I don't know. There's a percentage that you receive from the revenue. So basically, the way it works is each category is determined. It's determined by YouTube. Each category provides a certain amount of money that the advertisers pay and that you receive from your videos. You don't get paid for your watch hours or your video views, but rather you get paid every time an advertisement pops up on your channel. When that advertisement pops up on your channel, you get a cut of the commission from what the advertiser pays. So let's just say an ad pops up right now and you guys watch it. I will get a percentage of that revenue, and that will be a cost per meal, or a cost per 1,000. That's your CPM. Your CPM can be anywhere, whatever YouTube determines your content category is, or your content category is worth. But let's just say, for example, it's $3 CPM. And let's just say, for example, you have 20,000 watch hours in a month. If you've got 20,000 watch hours in a month, then that's 20 thousands, and at $3 cost per meal, that would be $60 per month in ad revenue that you would receive. So obviously, the more views you get, the more commercials that you have on your channel and your videos, the higher that CPM is going. Well, not the higher the CPM, but the more you'll get paid, because you want more views to get more money, obviously. So that being said, that explains why, or that explains how YouTube actually makes you money. Now, the side ways to make money on the side are obviously affiliate sales. Affiliate sales would be making, having a partnership with a website to review their products and feature their products, and then direct the viewers through your affiliate link to purchase those products. And that can be pretty profitable. And here's my buddy Shrody coming in to interrupt the video, because that's what he likes to do. And that can be pretty profitable too, because it does present a revenue stream before you're actually monetized. Now, like I said, in order for you to be monetized, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's before you can even be considered by YouTube to be even making any money at all. So 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But like I said, until then, YouTube places ads and they get the revenue. Once you reach the 1,000 and the 4,000, at that point you start making money. So, like I said, I've got about a week left. At the rate that I'm traveling at right now on this channel, I've got about a week left to get my remaining watch hours filled in, and I should be being monetized by the end of the month, hopefully by the end of the month, or hopefully even sooner than that, actually. But anyway, I just wanted to go over a quick video where I explained a lot of the questions that I get asked on a regular basis, because sometimes people in the YouTube community will take it for granted the fact that they know and they understand how this all works. And I'm here to tell you, when I first started, I had no idea how it worked. I just wanted to start a watch channel where it showed you guys, that you guys didn't have to spend a fortune to buy great watches. And I just wanted to get this content out there and see if it would, take off, and it actually did. I'm actually en route to be monetized just over the 6-month line, and I could not be happier about that, because everything I've looked at online shows that it's a much longer process than that, unless your channel is actually good and it's picking up steam and people are subscribing. So as far as I'm concerned, this has happened in record time. For me to reach 1,000 subscribers in less than 6 months and be almost fully monetized a week after 6 months, that's just great. I mean, but anyway, as a birthday episode or an anniversary episode, my channel is now 6 months old today, and I love what I'm doing. I love bringing you guys these watch review videos. My cat Shrody, he loves to watch as I record these videos, and he likes to bring these watch reviews to you as well. And I know a lot of you guys like Shrody, and he does like to be a part of this whole process. So anyway, until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. And if you have any questions about the YouTube process, I'm not a professional at it. I'm just telling you what I've learned throughout the last 6 months and how I figured things out on my own. And I might have some answers to some questions for you, so place those in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer those questions for you. So anyhow, once again, Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com. If you do like this content, thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see watches and watch review videos. Till next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thank you guys all, and have a great weekend.